I remember Mo saying to you, Pete's looking for a loom. And you took us up the stairs, across this long hallway, unbolted these doors, pulled the chains out, and opened these doors. And I remember you saying, a loom like that one, and it was sitting in the middle of this floor in this abandoned mill, covered in grease and dust, and I called it the Dragon. When I saw that, all I could think about was opportunity. I remember just feeling giddy inside and trying to keep a straight face. Not knowing what I was getting myself into, not knowing what I was buying, not knowing what it was going to cost to refurbish this thing, to move this thing. In my mind, the deal was done. I had already moved it, set it up, and we were already weaving fabric.
Where should I block it? Right under that foot. Release the dragon!
Joe was there, my father-in-law. I remember getting a quote on rigging it and moving it, and it was like 15 or 20 grand. My father-in-law, Joe, was like, we got this. When we brought that loom out, we spent, I want to say it was 8 or 9 hours getting it out of there. We got it done for $1,500. That loom was the defining moment for this company. Part of that defining moment was I asked you, well, who's going to put these looms together? And you introduced me to Lenny Davis.
Yeah, maybe I should just put one in the center.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
Without him, it's not possible. And I remember asking Lenny, well, how many guys know what you know? And he's like, a whole bunch do. And I was like in New England, how many are there that know what you know? And he's like, there's gotta be at least 5 of us. And I remember thinking, this is impossible without him. He has all this knowledge locked in his head, and we needed to pass that knowledge on. Lenny was instrumental in helping us start our future.
Hey, quick update for everybody. I'm just heading back. I was just picking up our pearl weave, American pearl weave pattern. I'm driving. Here's what it looks like right here. This is pearl weave. This is what makes American pearl weave. It's a punch card, old school, like a player piano. We're gonna be starting that loom up today, which I'm pretty excited about. Here it is. I told you guys the dragon was going to breathe tonight. Been getting this thing ready.
What did it feel like the first time that thing created like fabric? Dude, you must have been.
Dude, we freaked out.
I'm ready when you are, Lenny.
He turned it on for the first time.
All right.
It was like, and I looked at John and Lenny, and I said, holy shit. And then, and there's the pearl weave coming off the loom. Man, it was so exciting. I was like, nobody's ever done this.
There it is.
I was super proud. I was like, we're freaking doing it. We are doing it. And then we announced it to the world.
The dragon is breathing fire. Let's go check out the front. This is our first little bit of American Pearl. The dragon lives. It eats raw cotton and spits out pearl. Hey, this is Lenny, the one who made it all happen.